How to open Capitec Bank account online. Welcome back to Let Me Help, and let's get right into this video. Starting off, launch a browser and search for Capitec Bank. Select the first option, that is Capitec Bank Simplified Personal and Business Banking. It will redirect you to the official homepage of your Capitec. Now, you can easily sign in or open up a Capitec Bank account by tapping on the Sign In button at the top. Select if it's your personal banking or business. Then tap on Personal Online Banking or Business Online Banking. To sign in to your account, it is pretty simple, as all you have to do is enter your account number or your username, then tapping on the Continue button. However, to open up a Capitec Bank account, you need to download the Capitec app. For that, open a bank account through your application, then enter your South African ID number, and you need to take a few selfies using the app's facial recognition feature. Provide the details such as email address and phone number. The app will then prompt you to schedule a call with a Capitec representative to finalize the account opening process. Make sure that you have a valid South African ID number, a smartphone, and a South African cell phone number before starting the process. That is all for the video as well. Thank you so much for tuning in.